Hello Metaverse millionaires. Today's video is about how to connect Nextearth to Metamask, and also this video will tell you how to add Smartchain and Polygon Matic to your Metamask. So stay tuned. This is short and sweet video. People have made so many videos regarding how to buy land on Nextearth, but they won't tell you how to connect your Metamask to Nextearth properly with all the steps. I will also put links in the description of all the values of Smartchain network and Polygon Matic network in the description box so that you can easily copy and paste. This video will solve your problem of connecting your Metamask to your Nextearth. First of all, open Nextearth on your desktop computer. Then get registered, or if you are already registered on Nextearth, you simply need to log in yourself. After logging in, simply check the menu, check all the links in the menu and scroll down, and finally you will find wallet. Click on wallet and choose Metamask. I'm assuming you have already installed Metamask Chrome extension, so you just need to connect your Metamask to your Nextearth. For that you have to click on the round profile picture and open settings. After settings, open network and then click on add networks. First you need to put Smartchain values. I will put all the values in the description, and then once you will add these values of Smartchain, then you have to repeat the steps: settings, network, add network, and then you have to put the values of Polygon Matic. I will also add these values in the description for your ease. After adding Smartchain and Polygon Matic, you need to go to Nextearth, and when you open Nextearth, go to wallet. Now you can easily connect your Nextearth wallet to your Metamask. These are the simple steps. And what are the further steps? How you will get Matrix into your Metamask? I also covered this in a simple video. You can find the link in the description as well.